Words. Can you say Zara's last words? Okay,
Last
trade
words.
me. Trade me. Go on. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see if I can get this to work. Yeah, though.
Do you want me to hold the ladder?
If you start seeing it going over.
Like that? What do I do? If I start seeing it going over, do I just tell you to like just stop and just
I could die. I don't want to die.
like if I see it going over, do I just like leave you there and run? Or just tell you to jump? Jump. They should make a song about that. Okay, it's kind of going over. I think it would be better if I would be up there.
Gracie? What kind of dad would I be if
Just
I
one more step. One more step. And you would have this. One more step. Nope. Oh, well, I guess you got this. Wouldn't be an idiot. I feel so bad for this ladder. I feel so bad for the ladder. It's just like... Hold. It's gonna fall. How is that working? It's because it's not. Are you just gonna do it upside down or something? Nothing. Drop the phone. Hey, it's okay. I almost dropped your phone, but I didn't. Nothing. You do what you're doing best here. It stayed.
Oh well.
Looks good. I know. Looks good.
Good enough.
Loving it.
Me too.
Okay, it's kind of shift, so you're just gonna have to jump. I'm gonna run now. Okay, you got it safely. Oh, I still have a phone in my hand.
Perfect.
Looks good.
How's that one over there doing?
It's doing good. Just don't mess with that one. Just don't touch it.
I'm not falling back.
Here you go. Oh, it's not even turned on. I'm just kidding.